everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am sharing with you all something interesting. Yes, these are the beautiful table mats cum tea coaster along with small cup coasters, and these are made scratch from the newspapers. Can you believe this? So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking this newspaper strip which is 37 by 10 centimeters, and I'm just taking my paintbrush, and from backside of the brush I am just starting with the rolling of newspaper and creating one pipe. Now we just need to flatten the pipe like this so that we can make a coil, and this is done. Then taking my quilling tool and starting with making the coil. So only in the starting process we need tool. Then I am just removing my tool and rolling it like this. So this is the simple basic shape of making coil. And then we have to join some more pipes like this. So in total I am going to join 9 pipes to make one big coil shape. And the big coil is ready. I will also share the diameter of this. So the diameter is 7 centimeters after completing it. Now I am making small coils to decorate it. So for this I am taking one more piece of newspaper which measures 29 by 10 centimeters, and again taking my paintbrush and making the pipe. Then using my paintbrush again, wrapping this pipe around this and creating the coil which is having hole in the center. Like this. Similarly, I have already prepared some more. Now taking back my big size coil and using the strong adhesive to connect these small coils around this. You can also use any kind of glue, but the glue which I am using works very quickly, so you can use Fevikwik or any strong adhesive. You can also use glue gun. Now around this I am going to add some more pipe for more finishing and to bind all the coils in one place, and I am joining total 5 pipes like this. Then to make the homemade gesso, here I am taking baby powder, adding some white acrylic color and some glue, then mixing it very well and creating the nice smooth paste. If required, you can add some drops of water. And voila, your handmade gesso is ready. Now taking back my base and completely covering this using this white gesso so that you will have nice base to color it. It will also work like a primer. So it's completely covered and dried as well. Now taking black acrylic color, and first I am going to color these corners from inside. So we have to color from top and in the bottom of the coil. We need to color all the spaces. And also I am covering the outer ring using same black acrylic color. Then taking aqua blue acrylic color. To create aqua blue color, I have just mixed cerulean blue and light green color. So you will have this beautiful shade. And I am going to color these tight coils which is having hole. You can also say this color shade as a teal. And this is also done. Now to color the center part, I am taking chrome yellow acrylic shade. And this is completely done. Now it's time to make some nice and cute birdies. For this I am taking red acrylic color, black acrylic color and making two birdies. So this is done. Now behind the birdies I am adding some tree branches using brown acrylic color. Then to make leaves, I'm just taking light green color and adding some spots like this on each branch. And this is completely done. It's looking very beautiful. Now I'm just highlighting the holes inside each coil, just creating one round circle using white acrylic color. It will highlight your design and pattern little more. If you wish, you can also stick round mirrors on top of this, but I think we will use some hot platters on this, so it will be good that if you are using colors only. And now adding some dots on top of each coil using mustard acrylic color, adding only small dots using ball tool. And this is completely ready. The centerpiece is ready. It's looking very stunning, isn't it? Now it's time to make small coasters for teacup. So here I have already prepared this coil, which is made using 9 pipes, just like we did before, and I have primed it using homemade gesso. Then I am coloring it using chrome yellow and little bit of white, taking the lighter shade of yellow this time and covering it completely. On the edges I am using the same aqua blue teal color. And also I have colored the back side using black acrylic color. So this is done. I have drawn one rough sketch of birdie similar to the bigger coaster. So I'm coloring this as well using the same color combination, and also I will add branches and leaf just like we did before. And this is completely ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more with the same procedure. So the small coasters and big center coasters are ready. Now it's time to add the varnish on this. to protect it from water. So adding few drops of varnish and just completely covering it. And it's completely dried, and can you see the shine? It's looking very gorgeous. So in this way you can make your own tea coasters using newspaper with different prints and handmade paintings. Isn't it a great idea? So it's very best idea to recycle your old newspapers. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.